Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to customize the order confirmation email. So this is the email that your customer receives when they place an order. Okay, so for that you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. From there you have to go to settings and you can go to notifications, and there you'll be able to see the order confirmation option. Okay, so this is the email that your customer receives once they place an order. Okay, so just click on this one and you'll be able to see the preview of this email. Okay, like thank you for your purchase, hi John, you are getting your order ready to be shipped. All these details will be shown. Okay, so this is how they are going to see your email, okay, or the confirmation email. So in order to customize this one, you can do that from this option. So for this you need to know HTML coding. Okay, so you have to make sure that you know HTML coding in order to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you an example how you can do that. Okay, I'm not going to teach you programming or explain anything with the programming part. Okay, but I'm just going to show you where you can do that. Okay, so like if you are in this page, you can go to edit code and you can see all the codes which displays that email. Okay, so this is the HTML code which is having some liquid codes which is required for the Shopify coding within that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to like make this email which matches my brand color. Okay, so I have created a code for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to update the code here. So you can see that this is the current version. Okay, now I'm going to update. Okay, so this is just for the test purpose, so I didn't do much more coding or anything for creating this one. So I'm just going to update my code and just going to preview this one. Okay, now you can see that I have added some brand colors which is required. This is not looking more beautiful or anything, but I'm just showing you where you can do that. Okay, but I have just added my brand colors. I have just implemented some changes for the table which is showing the products handle. Okay, so I have just done this one and I can just click on save. So now what happened is, like if someone make an order from my store, they'll be able to receive the email with my brand colors and everything. And even I can just add my logo here. I can just add many things which is possible within the email templating coding. Okay, this is how you can edit the order notification that your customer is receiving in Shopify when they are placing an order. Okay, you can also change the email subject, or much more things can be done from this page. Thank you for watching.